Hi guys, I am back with a dip powder mani. So I am showing, or I got my hands, I purchased June's Diva Box by Triple D. And it came with some interesting stuff this time. So we have a cuticle pen. Rather nice. I mean, I thought this was a nice cuticle pen. And it has a sponge applicator which feels really good on the skin. The scent is up for debate for me. It's either you like it, you love it, or you're in between. But nice cuticle pen. It also came with a drink koozie. Great, everybody can use a koozie. Also one of those long cuticle sticks. Love those, they're easier to grip, even though I have my precision cleanup tool. Came with a nail art palette. I have one already, doesn't hurt to have another one. And I couldn't figure out what this silicone thing was. Is that to pick up glitters or something? I don't know. And it came with some stickers, 4th of July themed stickers. And so there was about 2 sheets of the first stickers, and then it came with like some silver glitter French stickers, along with silver stars, red stars, and blue stars. So with the stickers, this is a good variety of stickers. And so when I took a look at the French tips, I was like, how can I use this with dip powder? They're a little short. My nails are a little bit wider. I think I could use them on my right hand that has the shorter nails as well, but I haven't tried to use them yet. And it also came with a gel polish and 4 dip powders. And so this color, it looked well on camera, and my light, I have a light that's I bought a brighter light, and with the light it looks like a bright pink, but I believe it's red because this is a 4th of July seem like themed bag. And I haven't used their gel polish yet outside of their 2-in-1 delicate base and top coat, which I do like that. So you'll probably see a video with just me using the gel polishes. I have 2 regular gel polishes. And so we have Summer Nights, which is a temp changing dip powder. Nice lighter blue with glitter in there, which I think you'll be able to purchase that. And then Diva Dip 53, which is exclusive to the box suite. It's a red dip powder. We have Diva Dip 56, which of course is blue. Blue's my favorite color. Can't go wrong with the blue dip powder. If you say you go wrong with blue, the lies you tell. I love blue. And Diva Dip 57, which has that lighter shade of blue, red, and silver dip powder in there. So I have my swatch dots that I have done off camera and glued to the lids just to show you what the colors look like swatched. Again, I stopped using swatch sticks because the back of my door in my nail room was just covered with swatch sticks. It just seemed too much. And so I was debating between using Diva Dip 57 and Summer Nights in a dip powder, because the blue and silver Summer Nights kind of goes with the blue in Diva Dip 57. But then I decided just to use Summer Nights by itself. So guys, just hang out with me while I do this dip powder application. And I also will be using Triple D's regular dip liquids because I have them. And so whenever I'm using regular dip liquids, I do wear my respirator, and then I have a small USB fan going on my desk, kind of not in the area that I'm doing my dip powder because it'll blow dip powder everywhere. But I am, it's kind of facing the other way just to circulate air in the room. And so I'm just laying my finger flat in the dip powder because my nails on my right hand are shorter. as an FYI, I'm just doing 3 nails on camera, and then I do the rest off camera because this is just a one color mani that I am doing. And so just as an FYI as well, when I finish the second coat, I'm not encapsulating in clear, even though, because this is not glitter, or at least I don't think it's glitter, it's more of a shimmer, and so I'm not encapsulating in clear, and that did not affect the look of this color. If this was a dip powder that had chunky glitter in it, of course I would have encapsulated in clear, because anytime you file glitter, it changes the color of that actual glitter if you don't encapsulate in clear. And so once I finish that second coat, I'm going to activate, brush off excess dip powder, and then I'm going to activate. You can see those 3 fingers had 2 dips and my pinky only had 1 at the time. And so it's important that you do two layers of dip color. If not, some people will even do 3. And so I'm brushing off excess dip powder, and then I'm going to go in with Triple D's regular activator to activate all nails, to harden the dip powder and seal everything together. And then I will wait, approximately 2 to 5 minutes, and then I'll go in and do my filing and buffing, which I will complete off camera. And just as an FYI, I forgot to mention, I do keep Luxie Nail Builder Gel on my nails at all times, and then before I do my dip powder application, I do apply 2 coats of Holo Taco Pilly Base for easy removal. And so with this particular set, the thumbnail was already popping off by the end of the video. I could already see it lifting up at the cuticle area, and I'll point that out. And actually, when I went to bed and woke up the next day, the thumbnail was on my back. It had already popped off while I slept. And so I just popped these off the very next day. Again, if you use peel base, do not expect long-term wear with your dip powder manis. I do this because of YouTube. Even though I only do upload 1 video once a month, I use peel base just to pop them off easy. But I would not recommend using peel base on your natural nails, because it does remove layers of your nails, despite what anyone says. It will eventually remove layers of your nail. And so again, after I did my filing and buff and cleaned everything up, y'all, I'm trying to adhere these star stickers to my nails, and it was not working out for your girl. And I was like, well, these things ain't sticking. Usually I don't have any problems. So I decided to go in and use my Maniology Sticky Base Coat and let that dry for about 15 to 20 seconds just to get that nail tacky and the stickers adhere to my nail without any issues. And I do have an affiliate discount code that I'll link in the description box for Maniology if you don't have sticky base coat, and again, it's an affiliate discount code. And so I'm just applying these 3 stickers here to that one nail as an accent. And then genius me, I was like, okay, I got these stickers on here, I'm just gonna put 3, we're not gonna do too much. So I decided to go in with the Delicate 2-in-1 Base Gel by Triple D. It requires a UV LED lamp, and I was like, I'm gonna put some rhinestones on that nail. I took the rhinestones off because I was like, this is ugly. And then I just added a single rhinestone at the cuticle area of the other nails that did not have the stickers. And then I cured in my lamp for 60 seconds. So y'all see all them rhinestones. I said, ooh, these got to come off. But anyway, woo. After I cured, you see my thumbnail is lifting up already. Nice and shiny. I do like that top coat. It has a nice viscosity to it, and it doesn't run all over the place, and a very nice shine. And so I'm just priming the cuticle oil pen. I know earlier I just said cuticle oil pen, and just to get that to come out, and it just felt different from the actual cuticle brush that is normally on cuticle pens. It just felt good. That's it. Now listen, I'm sensitive to smells, and so initially I liked it. It smells just like copper tone sunscreen. And I was on Instagram, and I think Miranda from Corgie's Wine and Nails, she helps like it smells like copper tone, and then it's on the Triple D's website, and it does. And so that scent can be hit or miss with some people. And so this is a temp changer, so I have a cup of warm water. Yes, I did it after I put the cuticle oil on. I know, defeats the purpose. And so it goes to like a light blue, almost like a white, when it's warm, and then as it cools off, it turns back to that darker shade of blue. So you guys will have to let me know what you think. Please like, comment, share, and subscribe. Is free. So I hope you guys have a wonderful week, and I will see you next week. Thanks for watching.